On the Standard toolbar, choose Properties. In the Properties window, choose Quick Select. In the Quick Select dialog box, in the Properties list, select Color. In the Value list, select Magenta. Choose OK to select the magenta objects in the drawing and to close the Quick Select dialog box. Only objects that have the magenta color individually assigned to them as a property are selected. In the Properties window, under General, select Color. In the list of colors provided, select Red to make the objects red. Move your cursor into the drawing area and press Escape to remove the grips. In the drawing, select the 3 blue objects. In the Properties window, select Line Weight. In the list of line weights provided, select 0.05 millimeters. Move your cursor into the drawing area and press Escape to remove the grips. When the drawing is plotted, the selected lines will plot at the specified line weight. In the drawing, select the text Schnitt: A-A in the upper left corner. You might need to move the Properties window to see the text. In the Properties window, under Text, select Style. In the list of styles provided, select Complex to change the text style from ISO 8. In the Properties window, under Text, select Height. Enter 4 to change the text height. Close the Properties window. Press Escape to remove grips. On the Draw toolbar, choose Multiline Text. In the drawing, click 2 points to form a rectangular area that will contain the text. The width of the rectangle determines the length of each line of text. In the Multiline Text Editor, type +100 in the text box, and then press Enter to move to the next line of text. On the next line, enter Attenuation. On the next line, enter 0.5 to 20. On the next line, enter V/div. On the Properties tab in the Justification list, select Middle Center MC to place the text in the middle of the text box. On the Line Spacing tab in the Line Spacing list, select Exactly so the line spacing will be the same for all text lines. Choose OK to close the Multiline Text Editor. The text is placed in the drawing. On the Draw toolbar, choose Multiline Text. Click 2 points to define a window under the diagram. In the Multiline Text Editor, choose the Character tab. In the list of text fonts, select Arial Narrow. Choose Import Text. In the Open dialog box, select ALA/samplefiles/AC61.txt from your Learning Assistant CD. Choose Open to import the text. Select the letters AC and the colon following them. Choose Boldface. Use the same steps to make DC: and off: boldface. On the Line Spacing tab, select 1.5 lines, 1.5x, to define the line spacing of the text. Choose OK to close the multi-line text editor. The text is placed in the drawing. Creating a text style. From the Format menu, choose Text Style. In the Text Style dialog box, choose New to name the text style. In the New Text Style dialog box, in Style Name, enter ROMD to specify the name of the text style. Choose OK to close the New Text Style dialog box. In the Font Name box, select RomanD.SHX to assign this font to the ROMD text style. Under Effects, select the value in the Width Factor box and then type 1.2. Width factor determines the expansion or compression of characters. The preview text image is automatically updated as you change the width factor. Choose Apply to save the changes you made to the text style. Choose Close to close the text style dialog box. Text that you create in the drawing now uses the ROMD text style. Assigning a text style to existing text. In the drawing, on the title block, select the word Company. On the Standard toolbar, choose Properties. In the Properties window, under Text, select Style. In the list of styles provided, select ROMD. The text is updated to reflect the changed style. Close the Properties window.